Alright, all the battery are charged, all the Duracell battery are charged with this Bonai charger. Now we are going to test them. So I'll remove a few of those from the charger to test them. .46 volt. Let's try another one. 1.46. And 1.46. So it charges everything at about 1.46 volts. Now let's see if the original Duracell charger can manage to charge more, or if the battery needs more charging with this official Duracell charger. For this I'm going to remove 4 of them and put them in the charger. Here we go. And now let's see if it needs more charging, what the charger will say. Do we have green light here, or will it be red right away? Here we go, the battery are in place, the charger it's ready to go. I'm going to turn it on. And it detects immediately some error with the batteries. Excellent. So there is something not normal with those battery now, and the charger does not want to charge them. Interesting. So maybe they are too fully charged for the charger to recognize them, or there is something wrong and the Bonai charger did something to the battery. In any case, I'm going to use them, deplete them, and see if the Duracell charger will charge them after that. Alright, placing the battery back in the Bonai charger, and actually I'm going to use the functionality of the charger that could discharge the battery to discharge them, and then I will see if the Duracell charger will be happy about that. So let's find out. For this I turn on the charger and I will ask it to discharge. For that I'm pressing and holding the discharge button for a few seconds, and now it says discharging. Alright, the battery are completely discharged. Now we are going to check them, see how low they are once they are discharged. 1.2 volts. Alright, the battery have been completely discharged with this Bonai device, and now they are back on the Duracell charger, and let's see if once they have been discharged, if the charger is happy again with those, or if it's going to give me some error like last time. Powering up. No, here we go. That's good. They are charging. Alright, Duracell charger finished charge the Duracell batteries, so they're all good, all green. Now let's test them and see how much they charge for on the original Duracell charger versus the Bonai charger. Here we go. Off. Let's take this one. And from the Duracell charger we do have 1.47 volt, so that's interesting. Let's test another one. 1.47 volt. Look like they are all charged at 1.47468 on this one, and last one 1.47 volt. Interesting. So here is battery charged with the official Duracell charger versus the Bonai charger, multi-charger, up to 8 battery in same time.